Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Moto Guzzi Stelvio 1200. This is the NTX model, which has traction control, ABS brakes, heated electric grips, Marzocchi forks, really cool big board dual sport with shaft drive, V-twin 1200, fuel injected, adjustable windscreen. It's got the Moto Guzzi bags and top case, center stand, some really gnarly dual sport tires, only 17,000 miles, price to sell quickly for $69.99. Come on by, make your Moto Guzzi dreams come true with this awesome 2013 Stelvio 1200. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.